This video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Venmo direct deposit not showing. So if your direct deposit is not showing, that may be because it's not set up yet. So you can head over to the Me tab on your application by tapping on your profile picture or initials. And then from in there, tap Settings Gear on the top right. Now you should be able to find the option for direct deposit, so make sure to click on that. Click on Show Account Number to be your Venmo account and routing number. Now copy both numbers and use them to fill out your employer's direct deposit form. Now you will be asked to provide the name or address of your bank when filling out your direct deposit form. So give them the name and address of Venmo's FDIC insured partner bank, which is this right here. So it may take some time before you receive a direct deposit. It can be around 2 pay cycles. And for the direct deposit feature to take effect, and it may take around 1 to 2 days for the payday. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.